How to raise your vibration in 3 easy peasy steps. So we're going to follow these steps: observe, action, maintenance. So let's start with the first one, observe. In order for you to change your vibration, you need to first know, what am I vibrating? In other words, what is my point of attraction? And your emotions tell you what are your points of attraction. So if your emotion is around here, anger, revenge, hatred, it means that you are vibrating at a low energetic frequency. So one of the things you can do is create an emotional guidance chart, and every night before bed, put a mark on every single emotions that you have experienced that day without analyzing the why. So you go through this kind of chart, you create a chart like this that has all of the emotions in one scale. There should be more of the emotions here. The green are positive emotions, and these, the red, are the negative emotions. And then each day, so this is the month, each day of the month, you chronicle the emotions that you felt at bedtime. So before you go to sleep, you ask yourself, you go through this list and ask yourself, did I experience this emotion today? So if you experienced irritation, you put a dot on it. Over time, you're going to have a visual trend of where your point of attraction is, what your current vibrational state is. So around this time in August, you are at a low vibrational state. That means this is what you're going to be putting out there in the universe, and you're going to be attracting anything that exists in this low vibrational state. And then somewhere towards the end of August, you sort of shifted up, which is a good thing. Option number 2 is you can practice observing your thoughts every single day for at least 1 hour. Every morning, set an intention to, as you go through the day, notice and count how many times your thoughts become dark or unkind or mean. The purpose of this is to get you familiar with your own internal programming language. Example, how often do you say unkind things to yourself and others in 1 hour? So you can sit in a meditative state, and you just observe your thoughts and just see what are they like, and how frequently am I having these thoughts. Your focus is on just counting the number of these negative thoughts and not necessarily analyzing them or doing anything with them. You're just noticing them, observing them. Those of you that are mathematical, you can create a negativity coefficient where you put in on the numerator the number of thoughts you had in that hour divided by 24 hours. So let's say you counted about 100 thoughts in that hour of observation you were doing, and you divide that by 24, that's about 4.1 negativity coefficient. Ideally, you want a goal of 0.04. You want to have a goal of 1 negative thought per day. You can change this goal however you like, but this is a goal that I set for myself. Option number 3, to figure out what your point of attraction is or what kind of vibration you're putting out in the universe, is to do the appreciation challenge. Basically, you want to take about 60 seconds to name 10 things that you appreciate about your life, your day, yourself, and your circumstances. You can count your fingers to help you do so, or you can create a chart like this with on one column the negatives and then the other column the positive, the things that you appreciate. How does this help? People that exist in a chronically low vibrational state have difficult time reaching for higher vibrational thoughts such as gratitude and appreciation. So if you're having a difficulty doing this exercise in 60 seconds, then it tells you where your point of attraction is, how low your vibration is. In part 2, we're going to move on to the next step, which is action steps, the things that you can do to start changing your vibrational frequency.